Vlookup is useful when we have a table and we don't have the whole information, so we need to fill in to complete it and be useful. In this case, this is the company Hungry Man Burgers, and we need to start by filling the receptionist name. And of course, we're always going to be provided with these mini tables in which we have the complete information. So we need to, at first, look for this code on the receptionist table over here, and then bring back its corresponding name to show it here and complete our table. But before we start, we need to launch it by working on step 0, sorting by key, which is always the first column, all the mini tables. So we start by selecting the receptionist table, data sort, and we always sort by the key, which is the first column, and then OK. Then the prices table, sort, the key is always the first column, in this case the type of burger, and OK. The clients table or matrix is the same, and the key is the first column or phone number, and then OK. And finally, the discounts table, and then sort by the column number 1, which is the key, in this case the quantity minimum. Now we're ready to start using Vlookup. So we type equals Vlookup and then fx. Remember, we always start by selecting the key, but in the main table, because this number 4 is the one we need to go up and look for and then bring back this name to show it here. So the lookup value is the key in the main table, and the key is column number 1, receptionist code. So we click here. Table array is where we are telling Excel to look for, no headers, and super important F4, because we're gonna copy paste the formula down, and we're always looking for the information here. Column number, the name is not in column 1, it's on column 2, so we type in number 2. And then range lookup means code 0 to look exactly and only for number 4 in this case. So it's gonna be 0. And it's already showing the name. Cristina Garza is number 4, which is right. And then we click on OK, and Cristina Garza is here. And then we copy paste. Now client's name. The client's name is on the client's table, and the key is the phone number, and we need column 2 to display the name. So we start equals Vlookup, parentheses, and then fx. So the lookup value is the first customer's phone number, and we need to look for in the client's table with F4. Column number with the name is column 2, so we type a 2. And it should be the exact match for the phone number, so it's a 0. And that's it, Carla. Now we need her last name, and the last name now is on column number 3. So the procedure is the same, equals Vlookup, parentheses, fx. Now, the lookup value again. The key is the first column, is again the phone number. So we click on the phone number. The table array to look for the information is the same, no headers, with F4, money. The column number now containing the last name is column 3. And then it should be an exact match for the phone number, so 0. Here we have it. Now, the client address is going to be the same procedure, just the column is going to be number 4. So we start with equals and then Vlookup, parentheses, and then fx, which is the phone number on the main table. And then we select the table with a 4. And then the column number is number 4. And it should be an exact match, so 0. And then OK. And we just copy paste. Now the price of the burger. So it's the same, equals Vlookup, parentheses, and then fx. Now the price is on the prices table. So the key is the type of burger. And then we select the type of burger on the main table. The table array, no headers, F4. And then we need back column number 2. And it should be an exact match of the type of burger, so code 0. And then we copy paste And we continue with the discount for the discount table. So again, it's equals Vlookup parentheses and then fx. So the lookup value now is going to be the quantity but on the main table, meaning this. And then the table array is selecting the table, no headers, with a 4. The column number for the discount is number 2. But now the code is not going to be 0 because, for example, number 4 is not here. So we need to get the closer match, code 1. Whenever you have a range or not all the numbers are here, then you use code 1 for the closer match. And then we click on OK. And this is Vlookup.